Okay, let's get started. We're in lecture 13. This will be very brief. We're still working on getting everything graded. This assignment will grade itself. So that our goal is, myself and the TAs, the goal is that by the time that this assignment's due, hopefully everything outstanding is graded. So by next week, you'll know where everything's at. I want to talk a little bit about the logistics for this exercise, and like I said, I'm only going to talk here for a couple minutes. First off, so the main goal of this exercise is to read the plans or the abridged plans for the building and answer some questions about it. And again, like I said, it's really just intended to force you to look at some of these plans. What I highly suggest that you do is download the plan set from Blackboard, specifically the abridged plan set, and use that on your screen, and then use this to answer the questions. Now, just so everybody's aware, there is a, here, I'll pull this up here. If you go to Blackboard, you should see, so this is, I'm in student preview, so this is what you see. If you go into course content in week 7, you'll see the abridged plans, which you can download, but you'll also see the assignment. And the assignment, I'll just start an attempt to kind of show you. The assignment contains all the questions that are on here. So the idea is that you can be looking at the plans on your screen and then writing the answers down here and then come back and submit. Because I figured that would be a lot less awkward than like on your monitor shifting between plans and quiz and plans and quiz. That way you have the questions in front of you. But hopefully that'll make that a little smoother. Now the other thing I'll mention is I have no problem if you all like work in pairs. That's no problem. I mean, no issue with that whatsoever. And I'm here if you have any questions and whatnot. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and just let you all get to it. I think you all could probably finish this in class today. I do. So I'll leave you to it.